Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Trace Jolie Design Team layout. So I'm using the mixed media kit. I have a canvas and I have got this wood flex that comes with like important directions. We're going to paint this up. So first we're going to go in with the Van Dyke brown, and we are going to get this painted. And then we're going to open this up and I'm going to cover it with some copper and then the verde green. And we're going to cover everything with some shimmer. We're going to create kind of a very fun layout. So we're going to have a play with this. If I can get that all on there, but it's a little flexible, and then it can get even more flexible. We're going to paint it on that. So let's come in and get the brown in a very mixed media-esque, messy, because I don't really want to cover the whole thing. We're just going to come in and just keep I have an idea, but if this is going to work, I do not know. You know, sometimes you think something's going to work in your head, and then it doesn't. Maybe we should just cover the whole thing. Alright, so I'm going to cover the whole thing, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to come in with the copper. I'm going to cover everything in copper, and then I'm going to go in and like fill in the blanks. Kind of, sort of, with the verde green. Very messy. Not really. So we're just going to get this squeeged in there. And like I said, I'm using the cardboard so I don't make a mess everywhere. I've just got different paint brushes that you'll be seeing me use. It's going to be thicker in some areas. No real painting technique, right? Just fun art therapy at this point. So we're just going to go in and give it a nice fun copper color. And you can just you can keep working it to get it out of the grooves. So we're going to cover it, and then I'm going to come in with the green, do a little bit of like fun technique. So let's get this whole thing painted so I can show you what I mean. Just so you have an idea. So we'll just keep going. Picking up more paint as we go from all the other areas. And smoothing it over. Glopping it on because that's fun for me. And that's kind of how I paint, not gonna lie. The effect at the end is going to be really pretty, I promise. So I'll get a nice smothering of that. Alright, you'll need paper towels. And then we're going to take the verde green And we're gonna mix it in. Okay, but we're just gonna keep the streaks going one way, right? Like that. And it's like old and antique-y looking and very, very punky. So see? That's like a little Bronze Age. So how much fun is that? We're actually going to put that on that canvas and make something really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this, let this dry, and we'll be back. I so love how this turned out. So I did take a paper towel and just like kind of squished it on there. But look at how distressed this and antique-y this guy looks. So we're going to get him on here somewhere. Not real sure where. It's a little bit wet, but I can't wait. I want to play. So let's actually... We are going to bring in... I'm actually thinking I would... I'm going to use these. And then I have stuff which I don't know where it's at. Where's it at? I'm going to pull in some other collections. I have some flowers left. But I just wanted to kind of come in and show you this. Let me pull in some of my older Trace Jolie collections and use up some of those flowers. So give me just a minute. So I'm thinking we're going to move that up there. And then we're going to, I want to do, let's see what we got here. Are these individuals? What are these? So let's see about kind of popping these guys. I think we want to do tuck that there, and then we'll come in with the big florals. Then bring in these little guys just to kind of add little flowers. Oh, and then loving it. Then we got to get it all glued down, right? Take that guy up just a little bit more so we can get that tucked. And I was going to bring those in, but I don't actually think we need to. Maybe a little bit for just some paper flowers in the background. What do you think? Oh, I love this. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all stuck down. This is so pretty. I'm going to get this all stuck down and we'll be right back. You don't have to sit here and watch me glue it all down. I'm just going to take my little bottle of glue and we are just going to come in and just douse things with glue so that it gets nice and set. like so. Using a lot of the liquid adhesive. Some of them I'm going to have to hold in place for quite some time. So I'm going to do that and we'll be right back. Look at how pretty this is. So the one thing I'm going to do is come in. Do we want to add, do I have a pale pink? I know I do. Oh, somewhere. Oh my goodness. Of these half pearls. That's too bright. You come in with those. Oh my goodness, you guys, for real. And those, okay. So we're just gonna come in and kind of sprinkle those around. These are just from my stash, but I think it'll add just a certain little something. So let's do a little butterfly trail. And then we'll pop some of those crystals through here to just add a bit of jazz in these little open areas, right? All right, let's try this. Because my colors are kind of blending. But I think it's very fun. So we're just going to add bigger guys. To have a little, I like the butterfly trails. Like I have to do butterfly trails whenever I do a butterfly. But this was a lot of fun. So this is the mixed media kit. And I did pull in just a few of the paper stars. Or the paper flowers, not stars. From the scrapbooking kit, I believe. Which you can get all three, but I did try to use mainly our kit, so you guys can see how just getting one kit versus all of them can really change what you got going on. Now, are you guys subscribers to the Kit Club? Do you pick these up? Because if you don't, you really need to. And we just had a new design team, so I will be on for a few more months, hopefully longer, we'll see. But show some love, let us know what you think. Sign up for the kit, sign up for the Jolie YouTube page. If you have not already, if you found me on my personal page, please head over there and sign up for them as well. But this just gives it just a little bit of glitter into the very, very beautiful background. So I totally love this. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.